Course title: Food Security and Nutrition. Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Dawn DeVries, and I will be your course preceptor for the course, Food Security and Nutrition. The Food Security and Nutrition course is a comprehensive, multidisciplinary, and scientifically rigorous program designed to equip you with advanced knowledge, critical analytical skills, and practical competencies in addressing the global challenges of hunger, malnutrition, and sustainable food systems. This course integrates the biological, social, economic, and policy dimensions of food security and nutrition, providing you with the ability to understand, evaluate, and influence both local and global food systems. At its core, the course examines food security, defined as the condition in which all people, at all times, have physical, social, and economic access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food that meets their dietary needs and food preferences for an active and healthy life. You will explore the 4 key pillars of food security: availability, access, utilization, and stability, emphasizing the interconnections among agricultural production, distribution systems, market dynamics, household income, socio-political factors, and climatic variability. The Food Security and Nutrition course is ideal for professionals, policymakers, researchers, development practitioners, public health specialists, agronomists, and anyone seeking to contribute to sustainable food systems, combat malnutrition, and promote human well-being. Its approach is holistic, blending scientific rigor, practical strategies, and policy-oriented solutions, ensuring that graduates are well prepared to tackle the complex, interconnected challenges of global food security and nutrition in the 21st century. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.